Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the ability to inspire and guide a group towards a common goal. It involves effective communications, decision making, and problem solving skills. Different perspectives of leadership. Autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire are three common leadership styles. Each has its own approach to decision making and delegation. Key traits of effective leaders. Effective leaders prioritize clear communication and foster a collaborative team environment. They inspire and motivate their team towards a shared vision. Understanding leadership theories. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate others to achieve their full potential. They lead by example and foster a positive work culture. Leadership styles and their advantages and disadvantages. Different leadership styles include autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, transformational, and servant leadership. Each has its pros and cons. Importance of leadership in organizations. Leadership inspires, motivates, and guides teams to achieve common goals. Effective leaders lead with purpose, vision, and empathy. Developing leadership skills. Leadership is about inspiring and guiding a team to achieve a shared goal. It involves effective communication, delegation, and decision making skills. Common leadership challenges and how to address them. Leadership challenges like communication, delegation, and decision making require self awareness, active listening, and strategic planning to overcome. Here are some key aspects of leadership. Number one, vision. Leaders have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. They set goals and articulate a compelling vision that inspire and motivate others to work towards those goals. Number two, communication. Effective leaders are excellent communicators. They can convey their ideas clearly and inspire others through the words. Listening is also a critical part of communications. Good leaders actively listen to their team members' concerns and ideas. Empathy. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Empathetic leaders are in tune with the emotions and concern of their team members. They are compassionate and can relate to the challenges faced by their team. Decision making. Leaders must make decisions offer under pressure. Good leaders analyze situations, consider various options, and make informed decisions. They are also willing to take responsibility for their decision, whether they lead to success or failure. Delegation. Leaders recognize the strengths and weaknesses of their team members. They delegate tasks, effectively matching responsibilities where individuals' skills and abilities. Delegation promotes trust within the team and allows each member to contribute meaningfully. Number six, inspiration. Inspiring leaders motivate their team by being passionate about their work. They lead by example, demonstrating dedication, enthusiasm, and a strong work ethic. Their passion is contagious and encourages others to give their best effort. Number seven, adaptability. The best leaders are adaptable and open to change. They are willing to adjust their strategies and approaches based on feedback and changes circumstances. Adaptability is crucial in navigating the complexities of modern environments. Number 8, integrity. Integrity and honesty are fundamental to effective leadership. Leaders who demonstrate integrity gain the trust and respect of other team members. They are consistent in their actions and adhere to ethical principles. Number 9, confidence. Confidence in oneself and the team's ability is essential. Confident leaders inspire confidence in their followers. They remain calm under pressures and instill a sense of assurance in their team even during challenging situations. Number 10, continuous learning. Great leaders never stop learning. They seek opportunities to improve their skills and knowledge continually. They stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and leadership strategies. Thank you for allowing me to share my insights on leadership and its crucial role in driving success. Thank you for choosing Roshni Within a channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.